Okay, something different today. A Nuaire boxy compressor. A compressor in a box. Not cordless, this, mind you. 340 volt. Now, customer says it's not switching on. Nothing. Not even a light on the switch. It'll either be a switch or a lead. Either way, we need to get into it to fix it. And that's her. That's all that's on it. Quite a simple wee thing, but actually quite heavy duty as well. It's not like the normal wee cordless ones. So no tank, so you're just putting air straight out and you're using it straight away. No pressure build up, you're just relying on the pressure generated from the piston. Water seems okay. So first port of call, switch and lead. So check the lead first. The lead's good. This for the switch. That's the switch on. Yeah. So we got one side working, the other side dead. So it's just a simple switch problem. These are easy to get out. Press down one side, push. Press down the other side, give another wee push. Simple wee switches. They just press onto the plastic housing. And they press under there, lock in. So you just have to squeeze these side bits to get the switch out. It looks to be a bit of corrosion in that as well. And she doesn't even sound good. A wee bit mushy inside. Change that. Now, these are just a simple 2-pole switch. If you're looking online, trying to match them up. Very simple switch. 2 poles. There's only 2 lock in sight. Just 2 contacts. Switch on, switch off. They're not complicated. They come in all different sort of shapes and sizes, colours. You get wee plastic covers on them, you don't. These are just removable plastic covers that come on them. They can come with, they can come without. They can come with green, different colour. They can come with different colour switches. They have LED lights inside them, some of them don't. But they're all around about the same size. Even if they're not exactly the same, you can't cut the housing just a little bit to fit it. It's just a simple on-off switch. All you do to fit is just press it on. That's it. Live and neutral go to one side, and 2 out wires go to the other. And that should be all it needs. Now, does she work? No, that's not it. Sure as hell didn't like something there. So what's the problem? What else is wrong? Or what did I do wrong? Even neutral. Now the black and blue are the wrong way around. That doesn't matter because it's only going to a motor. Just make sure I am right here. Yeah, that's right enough. Let's test this motor. One to that side, and not this side. There's nothing shorting out that side. So what the hell didn't it like? Running freely. It's not burnt. Brushes are good. How's that? You look at that. Piece of aluminium in the field. I wonder if that's our problem. Can't see how that would cause it to actually trip everything. These windings should be insulated anyway. And even if they're short out, this is still a coil. They're just shorting out against each other. We just make the motor run bad. And if they short it against the body, this is double insulated. There's no earth. Well, only one way to find out. Try again. Hope she doesn't blow again. Hopefully. Second time lucky. Now, hopefully she runs this time. Give a wee squint and a wee clench. There we go. That was a strange one. One tiny little piece of aluminium. It's actually able to short out the motor. Two problems in one. Faulty switch, probably stopped it completely. And that wee piece of aluminium somehow shorting it out. Anyway, that's her up and running again. Noisy bloody thing. But she's running. One new air compressor and a box. Up and running again. Using the size of that unit to compare the cordless compressors you actually get now. some size difference. I know which one I'd be buying. Wouldn't fancy carting that thing around for too long.